and the engineering notebook.
Okay, yeah, did they tell you to keep that or can we keep it?
I'm not absolutely sure.
Do you need it? Do you need it?
Keep it for tomorrow, yes.
All right, we'll just keep it here.
Yeah,
All right.
because I know we're looking at the business plan and stuff.
So my name is Wybol Soto.
And I'm Shakira Guzman.
We're from Sunrise Mountain High School, the Tectonics team, 2A, and we're with Blue Sky Enterprises. Essentially, all we deal with is 3D printing items all throughout the classroom. My business partner right now will be handing out some of the sample products. So, essentially how we started this, we had a dream. Why shouldn't we have any item that we can imagine? Any component for drones that we need, anything. So we had a little trouble investing at first, but well, of course, as you can see, we've actually gotten our investment to have our first 3D printing press, well, not press.
Printer to make all
Yes.
the objects you see right now. These objects have taken some time to make and educate people or people who learn how to make it. So you can see this is a process to make and take some time and money from everyone that's doing it. And what we're trying to do is sell it back to the people who want their ideas and imagination to come true. You can see right now they have like Thor's hammer, a wrench, a Pokemon. Everyone wants something they cannot have, so we make it for them.
Our target market are the students and faculty of Sunrise Mountain High School. We are looking to further our business into our website, but that is around a, what was it, a $200 investment?
$280, yes.
So we are unable to do that currently. We do run specials on holidays, such as Valentine's Day, so we have produced like mini hearts and simple
Berries.
stuff, but we've also done more intricate pieces, such as representations of human anatomy, such as human skull, a femur, hands.
As well in world history, we use the globe, moving globe. Oh, sorry. Moving globes.
As well as a representation of Mount Rushmore. So basically the way that we determine our prices is the intricacy, the scale, and the density of each product. As you can see, I believe, it all depends on the density. The higher density it is, the less filling, or the more filling that there is. Currently we use around 20% filament, or 20% infill from our filament. The price of the filament is
$30 each.
yes, and we use a minimal amount for each print.
Any excess filament we use, because it does have access sometimes, we use to make glue and to use it for other projects, so we never throw away any filament or anything we could reuse. And these objects, you could tell some people don't want them, so we resell them to other people who would want them. So, you see the wrench, some people don't want them, but we use it for our own purpose in the club. And
That's actually one of our future projects right there, soon to be an actual working wrench. Currently we need to put in a few gears in that, but it will be accessible to work for smaller drone necessities and anything we need.
so far we have made stands for the drones and propellers. We just have to work on the kinks in them a little bit because of the fire retardedness. Otherwise than that, this project could go pretty far, as well as making anything you want and basically helping build drones in the future.
Considering that Las Vegas is going to be the tech capital of the world, let's just admit it. The Drone Central, everyone's going to be wanting to come here for this. So they're going to need parts, they're going to need anything. We can 3D print an entire drone. It's just a matter of programming and actually designing each piece and actually putting it together. Our team is still very young. This is our first year doing the 3D printing, but we have learned absolutely so much with this process, especially since we do print during class time so that we may actually produce our orders in a timely manner.
So, do you guys have any questions for us?
So, are you in touch with any 3D company, printing company in Las Vegas?
No.
No.
None has reached out, and we
Is
tried to
there
reach
any?
out.
No, not currently.
Maybe not local motors.
Local Motors? Yes, we heard of them, yes.
Currently we are working very intently with a local company named GRAD, Global Drone and Robot Deployment, to help bring components and other pieces in so that we may actually integrate our company companies and fulfill bigger projects.
Have you tried to design any drones?
Currently, we are for our summer internship there, so then we can actually implement that and test out the realism with it, because the ABS plastic, which is what that is made out of, has a melting point essentially.
230 degrees.
Yes.
And if drone hits any higher, it will melt the stands. We have made a stand before, and that's how we know they're meltable. So we're trying to test out the limits and see if we can cool the drone or keep it at a certain limit. We could use the plastic at all times.
Giving us that engineering aspect to both Skybot and drones in general that we need to use.
Yes.